All right, so welcome back, YouTube. This is stop number 2. We just rode Pomfret Forest. We did kind of a mixed ride. Did 4 or 5 miles on our regular mountain bikes, and then we kind of explored a bunch of it on the e-bikes just to check out the place, kind of learn it. We did like almost 8 miles on the e-bikes. Now we're here at Old Furnace State Park. Is that what this is? Yeah, Old Furnace State Park. It's kind of like on the ride home, so we figured we'd come here, do a little more exploring, me and Zach again, on the e-bikes. So should be a good time. Could be a future ride coming soon on the regular bikes. Oh, we got a skinny. That's cool. Another one. This one's a little more sketchy. Let's do it. Oh shit. Come on, I need a new TikTok viral video. Did you? Oh, this is cool. Whoa, look at that. Oh, this is... That was a hard one because it was round. Not flattened out. Easy peasy. That wasn't bad. Might not get them all, we'll get some. It's all good. Drop. That's a drop. That's a drop. Nice. Oh shit, another one? Oh yeah. That's a drop. That's a funky drop. It's always good to look before you leap so you know what to expect. Unless, obviously, you're riding with someone like MTBCT and he can call shit out and you can be ready. Those are fun.
Yeah, that one is.
The first one is it wasn't bad
kind of
because it goes down. You gotta hop it good. Nice. That first one's like probably close to 3 feet. Landing is flat though. It's not a bad thing. Another one. Wow, this is like the drop trail. That's cool. Oh, we know now. We come down this one again. You know what to expect. You just go. Oh, hooked a big stick at me. It's a different parking lot? Huh.
I don't think I've been there.
No? Another little pond to the right. Kind of cool. Piece of cake. This is pretty cool right here, right on the pond. I'm gonna say this is a little pond, kind of small. Don't want to go right, that's for sure. You'll be getting wet. Oh shit, look at this. Yeah, if you know that's coming, I was flying down that hill, you go right up it. This trail is actually pretty cool. It's got some good little technical hits on it here and there. Looks like a drop and a rock roll. It's easy. Nice little downhill section right there. We are slowly working our way back to the parking lot. Not a bad ride so far, about 5 miles. We're both starting to get tired. Been a long day. So head back. Definitely come back out here again. it.